Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this non-greasy glow body oil. It only contains 6 ingredients. There's absolutely no heating required, and it's going to help to hydrate, soften, and smooth the skin. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process on how I make this. The first ingredient that I'm using today in this body oil formula is meadow foam seed oil. This is going to give you intense, long-lasting hydration. It's also great for balancing oil production by mimicking the natural sebum that our body already produces. It's going to strengthen the skin's protective barrier, locking in moisture, and it's great for helping to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. The next ingredient I'm using is grapeseed oil. This is going to be very moisturizing and hydrating for the skin. What it will do is it will help to clear clogged pores and reduce any inflammation. It's great for improving skin tone and boosting collagen production. This is a very lightweight oil and it is suitable for all skin types. Another great carrier oil in this formula is red raspberry seed oil. Now, this is packed full of antioxidants and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. Now, what this will do for the skin is it's going to be very hydrating, as well as helping to soothe irritated skin. So if you have rashes or eczema, this is a wonderful ingredient for that. It will help to control acne and balance sebum production, and it's great for stimulating collagen and improving the overall firm and texture of the skin. This is suitable for all skin types, and it is a fast absorbing, non-oily carrier oil. Vitamin E is an ingredient I am using in this formula today because it is deeply moisturizing. It will protect the skin from free radicals as well as reduce any inflammation present on the skin. And it's great to use for the fact that it will help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients that you're using, no matter what you're creating. Now I'm adding sweet orange essential oil. This has some wonderful antioxidants that will help to support healthy looking skin as well as boost collagen production and tone and tighten the skin. It has a wonderful citrus scent to it. Bergamot FCF is what I'm adding now. This has a nice citrus scent. It's going to be great for balancing oil production and tighten and tone the skin. You want to make sure to use this and not regular bergamot because regular bergamot will be phototoxic. I'm now going to go ahead and remove this from the scale and set the scale aside. I'm going to go ahead and stir everything really well. I want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated so that I'm left with a really stable and effective product in the end. And then once I have done that, I'm just going to go ahead and simply pour everything into my bottle. I am using a pump bottle today, but use whatever you have on hand. I am also making sure to use glass and not plastic because the essential oils will eat through plastic. That's very important. Now, this is going to make approximately 4 ounces of finished product, and you don't need to allow the essential oils to sit and macerate. Like perfumes, you can go ahead and use it as is. And I'll go ahead and go over with you here in a minute how I like to use it. But here is the finished product. To apply this, I like to take a couple of pumps of the oil and just directly apply it to my skin and rub it in. Now I'm applying it to my inner arm and my hands here because they're really dry. Once I've rubbed it in for a minute or so, then I'm going to follow up by showing you that when I use this tissue and touch it to my skin, the oil doesn't transfer onto the tissue. So if you're worried about it staining your clothes, this hopefully will reassure you of that. And it does dry really quickly. It's not oily or greasy. It's perfect. Before I end this video, let me go over with you substitutions. Instead of meadow foam oil, use safflower oil. It is going to be comparative. For the red raspberry seed oil, I would suggest using rosehip oil. Another option for the grapeseed oil is going to be jojoba oil. And then tangerine essential oil is good for the sweet orange essential oil. And lavender essential oil is great for the bergamot FCF essential oil if you don't have it. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.